Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Ciarán.
Today we're coming at you with a brand new segment. Ciarán, what's that?
Well, in this segment, we're going to be unboxing Betta Falls. Betta Falls is a fish tank that's in 3 parts. So, for example, as you can see on our beautiful box here, this is specifically for betta fish or Siamese fighting fish or fighter fish, whatever you like. And they are known for how aggressive they are. So usually the males cannot live together in a tank. So Aquarium decided to come out with this setup that has 3 different separate tanks. So you can have 3 fish in one.
Cool.
Are you ready to open it, Alex?
Sure, let's go for it.
Let's do this. Okay. There we go. So, on the inside, to start off with, we've got this. My finger check. Thank you. There we go. This is the biggest part, so take that. We take out the bag. Not cool. That is nice. So these are what the colors look like. Just do self-fish jumping out. And there are 3 of them. Here's what each individual little tank looks like, so you can see like that. And on each side, it's actually got this, which blocks the fish or stops the fish from seeing each other. So if I put my hand here, it's a bit more difficult to see it. And they even give you some betta food and some Betta Bowl Plus. What's that? It's a water conditioner or dechlorinator, so it gets rid of all of the bad stuff that's in normal tap water. So this is what it looks like. And so this part is our filter section, so you can see the filter's actually in there. There we are. And it actually just goes right on top. And it fits nice and snug. And then we've of course got actually it doesn't matter with this one.
Well, let's go see what this looks like with actually having fish in it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Ciarán, and here you can see what the tank looks like when it's already set up. So this is Betta Falls, and as you can see, I've actually got some fish in here already. So this is my first betta. He's the first one that I bought, and he actually started out completely white, and then over the last few months he started to slowly turn completely black. And at the back there, you might be able to see him. There's a giant apple snail in there, and he's actually just chilling there temporarily because my current tank has a bit of an infection, so he's hiding out in there. The next one is this guy. He was the second one that I bought, and I'd actually been looking at him or keeping my eye on him for about a month before I finally decided to buy him. And here you can see what he looks like. There we go. And I've got the little Marimo in the back there. And then finally, the shyest of all of them. I'll see if I can get something going there, but he's super shy, so it's really difficult to get a picture of him. He is the newest edition. And yeah, this is it. Last but not least, of course, these guys actually don't have names yet, so I would love to get some suggestions for each of these fish to get their official names. So if you've got any name ideas, drop it in the comments below, and you can just tag it with whites for the white fish, orange for the orange one, if you've got the name for the orange one, and blue or red for this little guy hiding at the back over there. See you next time!
Thank
you for watching
our
videos.
Please
Hit the
like and
subscribe button for
more videos.